Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video, I'm be doing a cook and clean with me. I'm going to be making shredded barbecue chicken with macaroni, cheese, and mashed potatoes. I'm also going to be changing the sheets on the bed and cleaning up the kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I'm going to be using this package of chicken breast and then 3 different kinds of barbecue sauce, hickory smoke, honey sweet, sweet and tangy. And then for my sides, I'm just going to be doing macaroni cheese and mashed potatoes. And then I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm just opening my package of chicken and going to put it in a pan and get some water and then put it on the stove and let it start to boil and cook. And while that's doing that, I'm going to clean the pots and pans that I need for my sides. Now I'm just cleaning this dry erase board here on the freezer, and then I'm going to make a list of stuff we need for the house and then change the sheets on the bed also. Now I'm just checking my chicken, flipping it so the other side can cook. And then a few minutes later, once it's done, I'm going to drain it and put it in my mixing bowl so I can shred it. Now I'm going to shred my chicken. And while it's shredding, I'm going to spray my baking dish with my cooking spray. And then once it's shredded, I'll show y'all what it looks like. And then I'm going to put my water on for my macaroni cheese and mashed potatoes before I add in my barbecue sauce. So this is what it looks like once it's shredded. And now I'm going to put my water on. Now I have my water heating up and starting to boil. I'm going to add in my barbecue sauce, and I do 1 bottle at a time, so because it's easier to mix that way. And then I'll pour it in my baking dish, and then mix it up some more because all of it didn't get mixed up real well, especially on the bottom. And then I put aluminum foil over it and then put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Now I have the chicken in the oven, so I'm going to put my noodles on and then turn the water up for my mashed potatoes, and then also make my boyfriend some tea. My water for my potatoes is boiling, so I'm taking it off the heat, and then I'm going to add in my package of mashed potatoes, and then also put in some butter and pepper and just mix it all together. So now the mashed potatoes are done, so and my boyfriend's tea is done, so I'm just gonna pour it into the pitcher and then fill it up with water, and then also drain my noodles for my macaroni, and then put the cheese in that, and then also put butter and pepper in my macaroni and cheese also. Now the chicken's done, so I'm going to take it out and put it over here, and then also the pans with the macaroni, cheese, and mashed potatoes. And then this is everything on a plate. It was all really good. And then I'm going to show y'all an overview of all the dirty dishes. My boyfriend did some of the dishes, but because I had to work and stuff, and then I'm just going to finish them up. And then this is also from cooking a couple nights also. So now I'm just unloading the dishwasher and putting all the clean dishes away from when my boyfriend did dishes. And then I'm going to reload it and then wash stuff by hand that didn't fit or I don't put in the dishwasher. Now that I have the dishwasher loaded and running, I'm just going to fill the sink up with some hot soapy water and then wash everything else by hand. Now while I let some dishes soak, I'm just cleaning off the counters because I'm going to spray it with my grease cleaner, because where we had hamburgers, there's grease over there. So I like to let my grease cleaner soak while I clean the dishes. Now while the dishes are clean, I'm just going to clean up my sink and then wipe down the counters and the stove. I'm just showing y'all after everything's been cleaned and wiped down. I hope you enjoyed this cook and clean with me and it gave you some motivation. And if you try this recipe, I hope you liked it. We really like it. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.